So check it out. I finally placed my last loop of tubular track with Lionel fastrack. I went with 072 curves now on my outside loop, and I moved the 060 curves inside of that. Then I have 2 lines of 048 and then 036 on the inside loop. I went with the 072 curves because I wanted to run my Behemoth on them and make it look a little more prototypical. It is a rigid frame locomotive, and the 2 inside drivers are blind. They've had the flanges removed. And I also added some K-line out of Marx mold box cars as well as tank cars. And I have my poultry car that I made out of a Marx cattle car. And then there's a depressed center searchlight car, and then another Marx mold caboose. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out, and here we go. This time through, I'll pick the camera up, so forgive me for any shakiness. And now I'll try to put the camera back down without pulling all the way out. All right, engine looks right. It runs smooth through the curves. I know this engine will run on 048 and the 060, but I think it looks better so much on the 072. And also I'll be able to have another Marx challenge where I'll probably get out my Big Joe. I call him Big Joe because he's got dual motors in him. And we'll see if we can beat my former record. I think was 37 cars that it pulled without any derailments. It'll pull a lot more than that, but just keeping them on the track. I think the 072 curves should be able to get a couple more on there if I can get the Marx couplers to hold. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.